Are you in need of the services of a local locksmith? Do you have a key or lock related emergency and you need help in a hurry? If you're unfortunate enough to be locked out of your home, whether you've lost your keys or it's broken in the lock, you need a locksmith you can rely on to provide help fast no matter what time of day or night. A professional locksmith doesn't just get you out of a tight spot. We can also repair and service your locks and fit new high security locks and deadbolts where needed. A professional locksmith can also advise on the best locking system for your needs. But above all else, we help people to feel safe and secure, so don't panic if you have a key-related emergency. Contact us now for complete peace of mind.